Okay, so I've got a video on how to store different types of Jorgensen clamps. I've got pipe clamps and I've got bar clamps. Well, these are wood clamps. What is the best way to store wood clamps? Well, this is what I found. This is also in a cabinet shop I worked in. We had lumber racks. I took all the clamps off this rack here so you can see how it's built. It's basically a 2x4. The 2x4 is about 2 feet long. It goes from the ceiling down. I cut a notch in the 2x4. Let me get over here so you can see it better. Cut a notch in the 2x4 for a piece of plywood that's 3.5 inches wide to go straight in. It's got a 45-degree cut on the end. The plywood that goes in from the side also has a 45-degree cut. It's screwed into the 2x4 and it comes up. So the brace that's put into it is supporting all of my lumber on the bottom. The one that shoots out at a 45-degree angle is supporting the front of it so none of the boards fall out. And then I simply just clamp my wood clamps to this plywood and it works perfectly. So the 2x4 right there screwed to the wall, and then the plywood's there and it doubles. It makes two functions. So when you're in a garage with limited space, it works great because here's a lumber rack and the front edge of the lumber rack is my Jorgensen wood clamp rack as well. So here's what the rack looks like with two clamps on it. It's just clamped to the plywood. And then all I need to do is slide another one on and tighten crank and just start filling it up. This rack holds quite a few clamps and all different sizes. So that is the best way that I have found to hang up Jorgensen clamps on a wall.